South Africa's chief prosecutor on the defensive.
I certainly don't think this matter was a blunder. There's certainly differences in legal interpretation of legal opinions, etc. And that's why we are lawyers. As lawyers, we differ on the interpretation of the law, the application of the law. I certainly do not owe anybody an apology. I certainly do not.
Less than 3 weeks ago, Shaun Abrahams had told the world Pravin Gordhan and 2 other officials would be prosecuted for fraud, allegedly perpetrated a decade ago when the 3 worked at South Africa's Revenue Authority. Gordhan is well respected, and Abrahams' announcement cost South Africa's economy hundreds of millions of dollars. It also shook investor confidence in the country. It's a decision that was met with uproar from civil society. Even some government ministers had pledged support for the finance minister. Gordhan has always insisted he'd done nothing wrong, and on Monday, the chief prosecutor conceded Gordhan was right.
I have decided to overrule the decision to prosecute Mr. Magashule, Mr. Pillay, and Minister Gordhan on the charges listed in the summonses. As such, I have directed the summonses to be withdrawn with immediate effect, and there would thus no longer be any need for Mr. Magashule, Mr. Pillay, or Minister Gordhan to appear in court in respect of the charges listed in the aforementioned summonses.
South Africa's currency strengthened on the news, and it's been wildly welcomed, not least by the ruling African National Congress. It's called on President Jacob Zuma to hold talks with Abrahams to, quote, avoid a repeat. Yolisa, Njamela, CCTV, Pretoria, South Africa.